Good morning, Huskies. Happy Wednesday. So happy you all are joining me this morning for the morning announcements. Today is March 25th, 2020, and it is day 2 of online learning. It is also International Waffle Day, so maybe you all can have some waffles this morning for breakfast to celebrate. Every day we're going to have daily announcements just like we do at school, even though we are far away. We always begin our day with the Pledge of Allegiance, and today is no different. So if you would please join me and stand in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you very much. And you all should know what comes next. It's our HPE mission statement. Today, I will live, learn, and grow as a leader. We are certainly doing that during these troubling times of online learning. Special shout outs to our birthday friends today. Yesterday, on Tuesday, was Susan R's birthday in Miss Strickland's class. Today, we have Caleb B. in Mrs. Gallick's class, and our own Mrs. Richardson, kindergarten teacher. Happy birthday to all of you. We always welcome our guest teachers to Highland Park. So today, I want to give a special shout out to all of our guest teachers today and let you know how much we appreciate you. Friends, that would be your moms and your dads and your sisters and brothers, anyone who's helping you with online learning. Give them an extra special hug today and tell them how much you appreciate their help. Every day we'll be joining you for morning announcements, and have a great day. And as we always say, make it a great day, Huskies.